Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what art and crafts are we gonna make today. So here you have to get this egg shell out of an egg tray and just make the beautiful dots around. Let's see, here we have created a beautiful scenery. Again, you have to get this egg tray and get these shells out. You need to color them up. Further here, you have to make the beautiful cones and then the cream spread with the help of the clay. You need to make this beautiful lovely ice cream cone. Now here you need to just paste these sheets around and you have to make the mouth part in this manner, make the beak and make the water as well. This swan is gonna look so pretty and adorable. Now here you have to get these eggshells and get them beautifully arranged in this pattern looking like a tree, and then you need to paste these beautiful colorful circles and then just make the snowman, and this is gonna look pretty cool. Just make the snow all around. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see here what are we going to do. You have to get these apple. You have to make this one, the pumpkin shape, the pumpkin pie, and then just make them attached and arranged in this form. Make the spirals and this Halloween is gonna look amazing. Now here you have to get this bottle cap. You have to secure it in this pattern, and further what are we going to do? You need to make the holes and all, and further just get the ice and pasted it all over. Now here you need to make a beautiful shape of a socks like this. You have to arrange them up in this pattern so as to give it a woolen look, and just make it in this way. This is gonna look so pretty and adorable. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now here you need to take these bottle caps and then arrange them in this pattern. You have to make this caterpillar arranged in this way, make the leaves and all, and then decorate your scenery in this manner. Isn't it cool? Now here you have to get the circles. Now attach these sheets with the eyes in this manner and make this Santa Claus absolutely ready. Make the belts and the hands around. This is amazing. You have to just draw it and decorate it in this manner. Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we going to do? Here you have to get these drawings arranged in this manner. This is gonna look pretty enough. Now here you have to get these tissues and then arrange them in this pattern. Further here with the help of this you need to paste a bow as well. Now let's see, here you need to just roll the clay and get them done in this form. Here you have to make these beautiful flowers like this, and then you are gonna arrange them in this pattern. Now here get the bow attached. This scenery is gonna look beautiful enough. Now here you have to get these circles, arrange them up in this way, and let's see what are we gonna find out. You need to just secure it and get them beautifully made in this form. Cool, right? I hope guys you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.